millet. You see, like these, the small ones. There are some pollen grains flying. And I'm also allergic to pollen. When it comes to evening, I will sneeze, but for now, let me enjoy the millet while I can, because it is drying up. We are in the harvesting season. So when we were kids, we'll come in the farm, pluck these small millets and chew them like this. You'll be eating careful because there are those small, husks that hold the millet. We call them chongo. And they will stick into your gums. They are sharp. They are like they have that sharp, like a thorny kind of feeling. So when you are eating this kind of millet, you are also careful not to eat the chongos. But let me tell you, the experience is wonderful. Try planting these. But also when you plant these, remember you cannot get out of your farm because this is the favorite food for birds. Birds enjoy millet so much, like I do. The millet has that earthy milk taste. Earthy like milk taste. I think you got it. You get what I'm saying. You are getting what I'm saying. So I'm eating carefully to avoid eating the black stuff. This black stuff will go and stick to your gums, you see? And they have that thorny, you see, that thorny feeling. That is very uncomfortable in your gums and in your mouth. So I'm chewing very careful to avoid those